Radio waves. Radio waves is again one of the frequency range in the electromagnetic spectrum, right? Right from these are just frequencies. These are electromagnetic waves only. So we are familiar with the radios. So in case of radio transmission, there are certain radio frequencies that are allocated to private and government organization for direct voice communication. So these radio signals, they use different frequency, and this differentiates it from one to another. That is why we have some as called as microwave, some as called as radio waves, some are called as different C band, L band. These are all frequencies. So the transmitter takes a message, it encodes it and then transmit it through radio wave, and the receiver on the other hand, this receives a radio wave and it is going to decode it so that the transmission can be taken out. And both the transmitter and receiver, they use antennas here to radiate and capture the radio signal. So we have antenna at the transmitter side and receiver antenna is also there. So radio transmission is widely used by the delivery services, the policemen, the security personnel, etc. The advantage is very easy to communicate through radio waves. If the terrains are difficult, there is no need for any digging or laying cables, and they can travel through long distances. The frequencies, or you can say the amplitude or wavelength is good. Also, they can easily pass through obstacles because the wavelength is such that if this is the building, they are going to pass through it. So they can be used for both indoor and outdoor communication. The disadvantage here is because they are just like any other wave, they are affected by rain and thunderstorm, and if you are not doing a proper encryption, then they are not secure.